Hey guys, what's up? This is my third or fourth video. I'm probably gonna be uploading a lot. Probably more than once a day. Just because I love making videos. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all of my fidgets. So first we're gonna start off with the stress ball. So let me grab all of them. Scoot them over there. Make sure you guys can't see them. That counts as one, right? This counts as one? Yeah. Alright, so let's start off with this one. This is a sand stress ball. I don't know if it counts as like a squishy one, but it's a dog sand. Next, we have a dinosaur Nido. I love it. Next, we have a color changing Nido. Next, we have a pineapple Orby stress ball from Five Below, and blueberry from Five Below. And my sister has the others. So I have a gumbo Nido. It's big and it's glow in the dark. And I got these from Claw Machines. This rainbow one. These are all from what is it called? Market Basket. Rainbow. A purple Orby sparkly. And a red. This one like sucked up all of the water. So did this one. Now we're going to show you all my poppets. I have this poppet that actually is popped. It's like a dimple, but this is from Five Below. I have this. This is the worst poppet ever. That's why I did that. Now I have mini ones. I have a heart poppet. Love it. It's a really nice poppet. It was going for $8 at a fair. Brought her down to $5. Love it. My next poppet's this one. This is just like a hard pop one. Next, I have a narwhal. Next, I have this orange. These are from Market Basket. Same with this one. This one's from Market Basket as well. I have a butterfly, but I don't know what it is. So yeah, these are all of them. Now I'm going to show you. Oh wait, yeah, and I have a eyeball splat. Now I'm going to show you all my mochis. Let's grab them all. I don't have that many, just because I don't really use mochis. So first one I have like this shark. Next, I don't actually know what this is. I just really like it. I have a chicken, a rooster chicken. Next, I have a cat. And a panda. Those are all my mochis. Aren't they all of them? Oh, and I have a cat. Now, I have this homemade stress ball. It just has beads in it. I have a green pop tube. I have a pink pop tube. oh, sorry, an orange one, but I don't know what that is right now. So yeah. I have a blue and white snake. I have a pink monkey noodle, skinny. I have a yellow monkey noodle, skinny. I have 2 green skinny monkey noodles. I have a huge thick green monkey noodle. Anything else? And that's it. Now we're gonna go into my marble and mesh. Blue marble and mesh. Like a plant style marble and mesh. And yeah. Oh, and I have a cloud mochi as well. I have a black and, well, it used to be a blue and pink, but I colored it black. I have a lot more fidgets than this, but they're all in my backpack. I have a wacky track, blue and green. I have this bitten dog panda one. Probably gonna throw this one away. I have red bike chain. So yeah, those are all my fidgets. So yeah, subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you guys want a fidget package, like a fake fidget package. So yeah, subscribe. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.